me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart all my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone my way, help me take the right direction. Take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. So lead me, oh Lord. Lead me.
Ano sabi mo?
Ang tatay at nanay, isa lang sa mundo, wala nang iba.
Tama.
Maraming
Maraming
kapatid,
aunties,
maraming auntie,
cousin.
maraming,
At alam mo, Modesto,
maraming kaibigan.
tama.
Pero ang nanay at tatay, isa lang.
And the nanay and tatay are solid. Married for how long?
33 years.
That's a long time. If my daughter is hearing this, she'll be very jealous. Yan. Sana si Mark kasi. Dapat nandito kasi yung boy mo malakas. Matangkad siya. Anong height?
Anong height ni Mark, Pap?
15 siguro.
Oh gosh, ang tangkad. Siyempre, kayang-kaya niya yung dad niya, no?
Tingnan lang nga at pakita mo yung mukha mo. Tanggalin mo yung bini mo.
Sige. Ay, hindi ko mawawala ang kapugian. Wag. Okay. O, tayo na.
Smile, you're on camera.
Sarap ng food,
Oh,
ha?
tayo na.
Tayo. Naka-off. There we go. Wala kasi siyang confident na ano.
Mhm.
Si Mark daw malakas.
Lahat naman, wala siyang tiwala eh. Gusto niya,
Pero si Mark, ano na talaga. Sige, galaw mo nga yung paa mo. Ay, hindi kaya. By yourself. Yan. Yan. Aloud. 3. 10. Slowly. Like that. Okay, put it there. Come closer a little bit.
이달 주지?
I see forever in your eyes. Can see heaven in your smile. When I hold you close, I don't wanna let go. Because deep in my soul, I know, girl, that you are the only light I see. Your love means everything to me.
Christmas time is here, and Christmas songs you love to hear, songs of hope and joy you hear, but mostly shopping, shopping, shopping. Christmas time is here, the sleigh bells and the red nose deer, songs and songs we love to hear, all played 1,000 times each year. Heard this same song 20 times, and it's only Halloween. Christmas time is here, and Christmas songs you love to hear, songs to enjoy each year, but mostly shopping, shopping, shopping. Christmas season starting sooner every year. It's October, stores of plastic Christmas trees, presents at the mall, shopping till you lose your mind. Spike the eggnog, so making my trade off costs and ties, timbers, grapes, and couches, tries, and it's it's time to do the Christmas cake, and if you can't, you can't, you dance, and that's okay. Of course we did the pick up. All you need is a tree, something like 10,000 presents, right on my bed, ready for snow. Run to your closet, find your Christmas lights, ringing carols all the way. Hey, all the way to California, it's the Christmas decade, all the way to Christmas Day. It's the most wonderful time of year. We're running there for Christmas cheer. Hey, we're shoveling in, my friend.
It's not fair if you're Jewish.
Not fair if you're Jewish, cradle, cradle, cradle. I made it out of clay. Christmas ain't the only holiday. Hey, he's right, oh baby, Santa Claus, Santa Claus, Santa Claus,
Hanukkah! We're talking about Hanukkah for 2 seconds, boys! Guys!
Santa do the can,
I'm gonna go find some Chinese food.
All you need is a tree, something like to buy a thousand presents wrapped in pumpkin paper snow. Run to your closet, find your Christmas sweater, streaming carols all the way. France, all the way to Indiana, it's a Christmas camping out singing. Wait for our ending, we should share this holiday. Give a happy Hanukkah to you. A happy Hanukkah to you. A happy Hanukkah to you. A Merry Christmas, Hanukkah, and also Kwanzaa and Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Merry Kwanzaa to
Taas ang paa. Taas ang paa. Very good. Higher. 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 Both feet. Wow. Ngayon, on the side. On the side. Side. Kaninang ginawa mo? Naka-side. Side. 1, 2, close, open, close, open. Come on, Pop. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Oh, kamay. Itaas mo nga yung kamay. Reach higher. Higher. Paa. Taas mo yung paa. Hala. Kanina nag-close open ka.
sagot.
Choose.
Laro.
So, hindi ka na lang iihi dahil aakyat na sa taas, di ka na makapaglaro. Mas gusto mo maglaro.